Now, regarding the curriculum for mechanical engineering at Stanford, the curriculum is unique in which it requires 68 units instead of hours. Is how they describe the curriculum. And it Stanford states that engineering students need a solid foundation in the calculus of continuous functions, linear algebra, differential equations, an introduction to discrete mathematics, and an understanding of statistics and probability theory. Students are encouraged to select courses on these topics, but however, they are not required, they are just highly encouraged. What is required is 45 units of math and science combined. A minimum of 24 units for mathematics is required, which must include both a course in differential equations, which course could be the CME 102 or the ENGR 155A, or the Math 53, which is required, and a course in calculus-based statistics, which could be a course CME 106, Stats 110, or Stats 116. The CME offerings of the mathematics courses are strongly preferred for mechanical engineering majors. As for science, a minimum of 20 units is required, and it must include both chemistry and physics, with a depth in at least one. Depth is Stanford's term, which refers to three courses. The general chemistry courses requirement is met by taking the Chem Class 31X, or by taking both Chem 31A and Chem 31B. But taking the latter option is allowed to count all 8 to 10 units towards the science unit minimum. These two courses are combined are considered 1/4 worth of chemistry. Additionally, a physics depth, meaning those three courses, are typically taken by taking the classes Physics 41 or 41E, class Physics 43, and Physics 45, taking all three of those. Or perhaps a chemistry depth would be fulfilled by taking Chem 31 and 33, a third higher level course, and a third higher level course. Students opting to take chemistry as their science depth must also take 1/4 of physics from the 40 calculus-based series of physics classes. Courses from the Physics 20 series are not allowed. Now, here you can see on the left side would be an example of a typical breakdown of a curriculum for a student gaining all required units to graduate, and you can see the semester breakdowns with it. On the right side, you can see a flowchart representing the typical classes that a mechanical engineering student would take when going to Stanford, and all the possibilities listed with the class numbers. Additionally, you can see the unit breakdown for each of the classes, again on the left-hand side, with the class breakdown of an example curriculum of a particular student.